guns do.
Gyro swing, and let's see what this has got to offer. We are in Blackpool, so I apologise for any wind noise in advance. That's a nice touch, actually.
Yes, there we go.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's definitely windy for sure. Now you start feeling the airtime now. Actually, it has quite an even spin, which isn't that quick.
Is that flew through airtime? I think it might be. Oh my god!
Yeah, there is some crazy airtime, to be fair.
Oh, I like this ride. This is a good ride.
I'm not sure the rain's helping much here. Oh, it looks sunny.
It's fucking pelted right now.
Oh, there's a lovely view out to the ocean. Yeah, the height is crazy, isn't it? The height is crazy. Right, and I think we're slowing down. Right, that's our first ride on Aviktas. As I said, this is a really nice touch under here. The area does look really good. We will give our thoughts on it when we get off.